Wow.
You're like a tickle, Baba.
Don't forget, if you like these drawing tutorials and want to do more, check out our teacher store. That's right, a bunch of lessons of how to draw comic books and other animals and all kinds of cool stuff. Check it out in the description. Down below is the link. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another cartoon drawing tutorial. And today we are headed right back to Puffin Rock. That's right back to the island with all the cute animal characters. And today, requested by you, we are drawing Phoenix. That's right. Let's go ahead and get started. First, we got to do what we always do. We got to get our 3Ps out, our paper, our pen, and our pencil. Hopefully you have your eraser as well. And we're going to go ahead and get started. Let's take out that paper. We're going to turn our paper portrait or up and down. And we're going to start with our pencils. Pencils only. Save those pens and markers for after when we're done. All right. First, we're going to draw a nice big, and we're going to do this kind of very close to the top of your paper. A nice big, almost like an egg. Once you've got your nice big oval, we are going to draw the secret. That's right. You know it. The secret. The magic T. And you know it when we have a face, there's probably a good chance we're going to draw the magic T. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a curvy magic T that starts from the very, does it start from the middle? It does. It starts from the middle top, and it's going to come down here. So it's going to kind of fall down. So it starts from the top middle, and it falls down a curve, but doesn't go to the middle. It goes a little bit to the side. We have a side magic T here today. All right. Now we're going to do another curve. This is going to be more of a smile line. It's going to be not in the middle, lower, on the lower side of our magic T here. Let's draw a body on the Phoenix. And all we're going to do is draw a curvy line. And yeah, a nice big curvy line going down like that. And we're going to curve it. Nice big J line, actually. Look at this. That's a big J. I didn't see that before. Is that a J? No, that's a backwards J. Never mind. I got to go back to school. Then we're going to do another smaller curve line going this way. So we've got our curve line here. We got a nice big J line there. Why do I keep saying J line? It's not a J. See, already we can see the shape. We got the head, we got the body. Let's do a little bit of the legs. We're going to do a slanty line like that, and then a curvy line that goes over. So slanty, just a little bit smaller, and curvy. There we go. Same thing. Let's go ahead and get the face. And all we're going to do is a triangle using that magic T line. We're going to make a nice big triangle, just like that. As you can see on this triangle, we've got this side is a little bit bigger. See, if you look at this magic T line, it shows that one side of the triangle is a little bit bigger than the other. That's perfect. Then we're going to connect the triangle with another triangle. All we're going to do is draw a slanty line going downwards and going back up like a big V. So we got a triangle and a V. Okay, using that magic T line, going across this line right here, going past his nose, we're going to just do nice, cute little curvy lines, little rainbow lines like that. We're going to go on this side and do another rainbow line like that. Those are not the eyes. This looks like the happiest bird ever right now. The eyes look... we're going to go up here to and do a curvy line, just like that. And we're going to go to the other side and do another curvy line. Again, it's all coming right off of that line, that magic T line. Okay, let's look down below here. So we'll look at your magic T line. We're going to go a little bit of ways from it, and we're just going to do a curvy line all the way down, just like that. Now we're going to draw a very thin V. Right here, we're going to draw the wing, which is just a big V. So we're going to do a slanty line, and then we're going to curve it back up. Okay, now we're going to do two long straw, like a straw, of rectangles. They're going to be slanting downward. So let's go to the end of these weird U's or V's or whatever you want to call them. And we're going to just draw slanting down. We're going to draw two straws or rectangles. Whichever way want to call them. Let's draw some feet on these legs. We're going to just draw a little U shape on the end of each one. Then off of each of these straws, we're going to draw a V shape. And all we're going to do is one end, we're going to do a slanty line going one way, V shape, and a slanty line going the other way. Now, we don't want this foot running into this foot, right? So I'm going to do a V shape again for these feet, just like that. So from top to top, just like that. We're avoiding each other. All right. Let's do the big tail. Oh, I love this about this character. So it's got a long, huge tail. So right here, where the tail should be, we're going to do a big curvy line going down. It's like, woo, right? And then it goes right back up. So a big down and a little up, just like that. Okay, that's going to be our big tail when we get there. All right, next we want to do is the eyeballs first. So we're going to look at these little cute eyes that we made here, and we're actually going to make a giant U shape on top of each one. All right? Okay, you got your big eyes there. Now we know exactly where her eye feathers can go. That's right, eye feathers. So what we're going to do is on this, we're going to check out this beak that we made, this little triangle. And on a little part of it, near the magic T line, and not on the magic T line, we're going to do a big, huge curve line. We're going to go all the way around the eye, and we're going to finish off right about here on the head. So basically, we just need it to go from the nose down here. So here we go. Ready? All right. Big jump. Woo! Boom. We're going to do the same thing on this side, only on this time, we are going to start on the magic T line, and we're going to go around this eye, but we're going to stop on the side here. Just draw a big curve line. Let's do it. All right, we're going to go up to Phoenix's top of Phoenix's head. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a big hair coming right out of that top part right there. And it's going to travel all the way past the magic T line, and then it's going to shoot back down. So it looks a little bit of a triangle right there. Right out of that part, we're going to do another curved line going further past the head and shooting back down to the hair. Just like that. Let's do the feet, right? We're going to do the feet. And it's got 3 toes. You could do a letter M, one in, so they're both slanty, and then one in the middle, like that. Any way you want to do it. 3 toes. So 1, 2, 3. Sometimes it's just easier just to do it, not thinking about it, right? So we should probably start erasing some stuff. All this can be erased. So let's erase everything inside the foot and the leg. There we go. And when you color these, they are the color brown, I believe. Okay, let's look up here. We can erase that right there. And we can erase this right here. We'll erase more in a minute. Let's finish the drawing. We're going to do the inside of the eyes. All it is 2 curved lines, if you can believe it. 2 curved lines, and this is going to make all the difference. So we're going to do one big curved line. It almost goes through the whole eye like that, and then we're going to do a smaller one right next to it, just like that. We're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to do a big curved line like that, and a smaller one right there. Now, what do we call a line that follows another line but doesn't touch? Parallel line. That's right. So these lines are parallel lines. So they are very good friend parallel lines. Okay. Now, you know me. I always love to do this. This is the fun part for me. We can fill in the eyes. And I know you're only using pencils right now, but we can still fill them in with the pencil if you want. You know I love filling. We do have to do another big big line, big curved line, and it's going to go all the way from the tippy part of this eye, and we're going to go all the way around. Boom, just like that. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, and this time we're actually going to start next to about halfway up this part of the eyeball, and we're just going to do a big curvy line all the way around like that. All right, and then we're going to do a little baby V like that. Does it go? It goes all the way up the beak like that. Now we can erase the magic T. So, as I always tell everybody, if it's easier to erase the magic T after you ink, you can do that. I'm going to erase mine now. But I know sometimes it's difficult to erase the magic T while we're still penciling. So that's understandable. I'm going to erase, and also we're going to erase other things. So I'm going to erase the top of the circle like that. We're going to erase the magic T. Got to erase that. Don't want everyone knowing our secrets, right? We're going to get rid of that there. So the magic T all the way down. We're going to erase the side of the magic T, this line, because we don't need it no more. The magic T is great. It serves its purpose, but once we're done with it, we're done with it. All right. We can draw this little curvy line, extend it a little bit if we want. So remember we did this V shape right here for the mouth. We can draw an upside down Y, the letter Y, like that. That looks good. Now let's look at what else we got to look at. Oh my goodness! My tail! What happened to my tail? It's not done. We got to finish the tail. Okay, let's finish the tail. Oh no. How could I have not finished that? Okay, so we're going to finish the tail with a nice big curvy line. It's going to come right next to, see where we started with this one? We're going to draw a little mark right there, and we are going to end at the end of our tail. We're going to make it big curvy line going down. So it's like they're both going their own ways. This one's going that way. This one's going that way. Once we get near the bottom, we're going to start curving and say, you know what? Let's hang out. So it looks like just a nice big J. But we want to make it nice and fluffy. Make a nice big fluffy tail. All you're going to do is draw another line in it. And it can go anywhere. You decide. Okay? Now we're going to give it a couple of little feathers. All they are going to be is like a little curvy line that goes whoop up there like that. Just make a curvy line whoop like that. And then you're going to bring it back down like a little V. We're going to do the same thing down here. We're just going to do another curvy line. This one's looking at the feet. It kind of zips out, looks at the feet a little bit, and then it goes back in. There's my tail. There's my magnificent tail. You know what we're going to do with this one? We're going to go back up here and actually go to your feather, and we're going to draw a curvy line all the way back up like that. And then we're going to get rid of this part here. So now it's got a 3D effect. When you do ink these in, it does look like you wanted to go an extra thick line around the eye right here. So extra thick line. When you're inking in, go ahead and do an extra thick line right there. Oh, it looks like we can erase. Can we erase this? Yeah, I think we can. Erase that part there. Okay. So there you go. It's Phoenix from Puffin Rock. So you know what to do. Ink these in, color them up. We do have a Facebook page. So you can drop these into the Facebook page, link in the description below, or you can email them straight to me or message me or comment or whatever. Any way you can figure out to get them to me, you send them over. I want to see them. I would love to show them off and say, look it. I drew a phoenix, but theirs is so much better. Look at the colors. So I want to show them off. So send them over to me, and we'll do that. Don't forget to comment below, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you guys at the next one. Keep on drawing. The more you do, the better you get. Bye. you want to draw more, well, we got more videos for you to watch. Check out any of these, and please share this with all your friends. Let's get more people drawing. The more you draw, the better you get. All right, see you at the next video.